So today's video is sponsored by the one and only Divoom. Thank you so much to Divoom for reaching out to me, and they sent me their product, the Divoom ditoo. I will be linking it in the description in case you guys want to check it out after watching this portion of the video. First off, the packaging is insanely cute. The product came inside this little bag. It also has a case, and by the way, I got the product in the color blue, but they also have a bunch of other colors. Like I said, I will be linking it down below so you guys can check all that out. So here's the cute little case that it comes in. You can unbox it. It comes with a bunch of stickers, also a user manual. It wasn't that hard to figure out how to use. It was like pretty easy to navigate around. As well, it also came with this cable that you can connect to charge it. Speaking of charging it, I have to say I've had it for like about a week. The battery life on this thing is amazing, and I really enjoy having it on my desk. It's very aesthetic looking, and I really like the size of it as well, and it's also really nice. I also really like pressing the keys on it. It's really satisfying. This product is mainly used as a Bluetooth speaker. It can connect to your device using Bluetooth, and its sound quality is really good from what I've tested so far. I'll be showing you guys and demonstrating how to use it later on. Has a wide range of volume, and it also has a bunch of other stuff included. You can set alarms, you can play up to 8 different mini games like Tetris and Flappy Bird, and there's even a magic 8 ball, and you can also customize the home screen. Once you download the Divoom app, you can connect it to your device, and there's so many options to customize your device. There are lots of other artists that post pixel art, so you can set that as your like kind of home screen thing. You can also customize it to display the temperature, the weather, and some other stuff as well. But yeah. So I made this little pancake animation GIF on Procreate. Here's how it looks. I think it looks really cute. The resolution is also very nice, and the quality is very nice. It is appearing like really pink on camera for some reason compared to how it looks on the iPad, but it does look a lot more different in real life. So I've been going through that phase where I just really want to be painterly and messy in my sketchbook, so I decided to pull out my tube gouache and start painting. I'm using the Magic Fly gouache that Magic Fly brand sent to me a couple of weeks ago. I will be linking the review video in the iCards, and I really didn't want to use my jelly gouache that much because a lot of it's like crusty and dry and cracked, and I wasn't really in the mood to like fix all of that right now. So that's why I'm going to be using the one that Magic Fly sent me, because it's in a tube and it's already like wet and everything. So recently I've been adding a lot of Pinterest pins to my Pinterest board. My Pinterest is always linked below in the description in case you guys didn't know already. But when I was scrolling through Pinterest, I found a bunch of art inspiration stuff that I've just been constantly saving. So I've compiled a pretty big collection of stuff that I wanted to draw. So today I'm just quickly painting some food photos that I found. I will be showing that on the screen right now. But yeah, so the first one is of this souffle pancake, and the second one is of this like ice cream jello type thing. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I really like the colors, so that's why I decided to paint it. So now we get on to like a little mini snack break segment. So my brother and my mom got some cake from a bakery nearby us, and so I decided to eat half of this chocolate bomb truffle cake while watching some Horimiya anime because I've been watching it so much recently. But the cake was super delicious, and it was just a really nice snack to have in between painting. But yeah, let's get back to the painting. So here is me painting it. I think that the painting process was overall really relaxing. It wasn't really complicated, and I think this is like the first painting that I've done in this sketchbook so far, because I haven't really done much in this sketchbook. I just started it, as you guys know. I posted this sketchbook tutorial like last week, but yeah. So I think that this would be kind of a good time to do like a bit of a life update of sorts. So here we go. I have multiple videos that I've planned to post. I just haven't filmed them yet, or I haven't like fully planned them out yet. I know that a lot of you guys have been asking for a tutorial, and I'll probably be posting a poll on my community tab again, since my audience has grown a lot recently. But I'm planning to do a digital art tutorial or something like that. So yeah, I also have some sponsorship videos coming out soon from other companies, so stay tuned for that. I also may be uploading more shorts to my channel. I'm not entirely sure about that or not, but because then I won't really have much to upload on my other channel, which is my shorts channel. So I'm still debating about that. And I'm also planning to do an art haul video because I received a lot of gifts from companies, and even though I don't have to like put a video out about them, I still really want to include them in a video because they are super kind to send me their products for free without like expecting anything in return or anything. So yeah. Here's the finished sketchbook page, by the way. I added some calligraphy and some little stickers and like designs and stuff. So yeah, it's just pretty fun to do. Now we have another quick snack break. My parents made some delicious garlic bread the other day, and it tastes like absolute heaven. So now I just have a quick study session to finish off this vlog. I had a test on, I think, Wednesday or a Tuesday, I forget, but I had a science test, so I just needed to study for it because I was just procrastinating studying for it. So I decided to make some notes on Notability, which is the app that I use for like all my schoolwork and everything. For me, writing out stuff definitely helps me memorize it and study it more, instead of just like repeating it in my head. I have to say, I already took the science test at the time that I'm recording this voiceover. I think it went pretty well. Doing these notes definitely helped, and I'm really glad that I did them as well, because now I have like a place where I put all my thoughts into. Instead, I don't have to go back into like my other notes, because all this information is just in like one spot, and this will be really helpful for like later on subjects and later on tests, or tests later on in the year. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy the music. The rest of it's just like kind of a mini study with me session, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely looking forward to doing more of these art vlog type things. And once again, thank you to Divoom for sponsoring today's video. And see you guys next time. Have a safe, wonderful day. I hope you guys are having a great time. And yeah, bye.